Hi everyone, and welcome to Business Communication Fall 2024 semester. This is a very exciting time. I know it's going to be a little confusing for all of us and a little difficult and a little trying because now we're in Brightspace. Some of you who have been on may have been on Brightspace for the summer, but many of us for the fall semester. This is our first semester with Brightspace, and I look forward to working with you on Brightspace. So here you see the home page, and when you come in, and obviously you must have seen this because I have made the course available to you. All right, so here is what I want you to do. This is going to be a very short video orientation. Click and start here. All right, you've already seen the video, okay, that I've created.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Business.
And then we can go into our course, okay, and all the things that you're going to need for this course. All right, going into the syllabus and course information, you'll see course description, course objective, the actual syllabus, the topics. We know that this is an asynchronous or fully online section. It's also a writing intensive section. So asynchronous means that we will not meet, except unless you want to see me during office hours. But everything will be posted. I will have, as you can see, I'm very used to using videos, and I'm pretty sure that you enjoy watching a video rather than just my talking or reading. This is writing intensive. Look in here for more information on writing intensive. That means that you're going to be doing a lot of writing. Writing intensive means a lot of writing. All right, and the course is designated as writing intensive. So you're going to be writing professionally for the rest of your life. So sitting down there and saying, I don't like writing, that's nice, but that's not exactly what we're doing here. And I'm going to try to make it so enjoyable that you're going to say, gee, I really did enjoy writing, and it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. So that's what I'm looking forward to. No textbook in this class. This is zero text. This is zero text open education. So we're using online textbooks, which is a lot cheaper and a lot easier for you to read because it's broken down into modules. And again, go into all of this information. It's there, all available for you. Take the time to look at this. The attendance policy, if you don't submit your assignments on time on the day that it's due, you will be penalized, and you need to look at the attendance policy and what that policy is, and I adhere to it. If you have any problems and you cannot submit an assignment on time, please go to your advisor, your success coach, whatever it is, your athletic coach, whoever that person is. Talk to that person and say, I need to find out that you contacted your advisor. I don't want to know what the two of you talked about. That is not my business. I'm not getting paid to do that. I'm getting paid to make sure that you succeed. And one of the best ways of your succeeding is to go to your advisor if you're having trouble with this class. Okay? Read what the grading standards are, what you're going to be graded on, what the grades are at Hostos Community College. Of course, you should know that by now. The technology requirements, obviously a computer. Some of you are going to be using your cell phone. That's nice. Either a laptop, notebooks or notepads, and cell phones have very limited capabilities. They have a lot of things that you can do, but you're going to be doing exercises and looking at things online that are going to be a lot more difficult if you do it on a cell phone or a notebook. All right, if you have trouble with the technology, let me know immediately, because this is an online, fully online asynchronous course. That means we will not meet face-to-face in class or a designated time except for the office hours. Okay, Netiquette, I just assume that everybody is here because he or she wants to learn and certainly not be a burden to other people. So just go through what the netiquette is. Look at the guidelines for sending email and dress requirement for presentations only. And that includes your introductory video in terms of what you have to, in introducing yourself. Now, where are the assignments? Click into weekly assignments. Okay. Hold on. Assignments. Click into assignments. All right. Well, let's go to content. Let's go back to content. And then you go to weekly assignments. See, I told you we're all learning. Weekly assignments. We have week 1. These are not difficult. All right, look at the summary of what you have to do. Okay, introduce yourself, create an introductory video in the discussion board, complete the Are You Ready tutorial, view the video college advice in the discussion board, writing or working with numbers, and those assignments are due Tuesday, September the 3rd. Why? Because today is August the 28th, and Monday is a holiday. Monday, September the 2nd is a holiday. So I cannot assign or have you submit work on a holiday, at least this particular holiday. The others, once you're used to the course, you will be required to submit your work before the due date, which could be a holiday. But for your first time, I want to just make you relax. All right, so we go to the assignments. All right, click into Introduce Yourself video. All right, the discussion board. All of you should know how to, because this is the 200 level class, okay? Introduce yourself, start a new thread, which means post the link to your video onto Brightspace. So read the instructions. Let's begin the course by introducing ourselves to the class, which is what I did previously, and you'll see that in a few minutes. Not the link, I'm still creating that video. Remember to dress professionally, as your video will be uploaded in your e-portfolio or portfolio. Please see the syllabus for the requirements. And remember, I gave you a link of a student who had already completed the course, and her dress, her attire, and how she presented herself was very good. I'm not asking you to give me the story of your life. I'm asking you to tell the class your name, your major, the reason you took the course, and what you expect from this course, and anything that you would like to share with the class. Certainly not going to tell them the story of your life unless it's so exciting and you're an athlete, a professional athlete, or a professional entertainer, and you want to share that with the class. But basic is your name, your major, the reason you took the course, and what you expect from the course to build on your professional image and skills. Remember, you are training to be professionals. All right. Some of you are already working. Yes, this is true, but you may not be working. You are planning to work in a profession: accounting, management, a medical office manager, or an executive manager, whichever way it is. Some of you are in dental hygiene, some of you are nursing, some of you are in education. So you are preparing yourself to be a professional, and this course is going to help you with your professional image. At least that's what my intention is. Okay, let's go back to weekly assignments. I only show, then there are 2 assignments here that are also on the discussion board, and that you're going to post your opinions. Again, no essay. This is just how do you think about watching this video, College Advice, How to Be Successful in an Online Course. And you'll see the link to the video, click the link, and you'll see the video. And then just make comments, answer the questions that I have here. Okay? That's all there is to it. And the same thing with working with numbers or writing. All right, which do you prefer? All right, writing or working with numbers? Okay, here's the prompt, and then you just tell us, share with us how you feel. Okay? And that's it. That's your introductory assignment, except of course for the Are You Ready? Now, if you've already done the Are You Ready last semester, you don't have to do it for this semester. By last semester, I'm talking about spring 2024 or summer 2024. If you've already done it in another class, whether it was business or any other class, fine. But make sure, if this is your first time doing Are You Ready, make sure you submit the certificate. I'm asking you to submit the certificate. If you took it in spring of 2024 or summer of 2024, make sure you submit the certificate, all right? Not anything else. You all know what a certificate looks like, so make sure you submit the certificate. That is all you need for week 1. And of course, I'm going to ask you to go through, just as I did before, read through all of these. All right, this is very, very important. All of this information is very important. Now, you say to yourself, how do I get in touch with Professor Figueroa? Excellent question about your instructor. All right, so when I create the video for this, you'll also see my text. In fact, it should be here, the text. Yes, all right, here's a little information, and I'm going to create a video so that you get to see who I am. All right, this is the email. also have given you my cell phone. I prefer that you text me rather than calling. I have no problem with your calling, but I won't remember, and especially since I have other commitments, just as you have other commitments. So texting me, and when you text me, please make sure that you type your name. All right, because I don't have telephone numbers memorized. My office location is Zoom until we figure out, or at least I figure out, and so I could share it with you, what we're using for our office hours. So for now, it's Zoom, and I will create the link and post that link so that a link that we'll always be using for the class. Office hours are Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 p.m. until 11 p.m. because I know some of you work during the day. If these are not convenient for you, text me when the best time for you to meet with me. Do not sit there, oh, it's 10 o'clock, I have to work early in the morning. I understand that, so then tell me when is the best time to meet. I have no problem with that, all right? And then you can read the rest of my information, okay? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to introduce you to the course. The orientation is what this video is. That's what I'm creating right now. Textbook is the link, and that's about it. Any questions, just let me know. I look forward to working and first of all, meeting you and also working with you this semester so that we can both improve our professional image. This is not just for me alone, for you alone. This is also for me. So thanks. Enjoy the weekend. I've made this available so you could start going through all of this right now. You don't have to wait until August the 26th. You have until, 28th. You have until September the 3rd at 11 p.m. to submit your assignments. So you've got plenty of time to submit these introductory assignments, which are really just getting to know each other. All right? Any questions, text me or email me. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.